Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the concept and a basic tool. Start by preparing your asset. Open your editor and set the canvas to the platform's recommended size, for example 128 by 128 pixels. Once done, import or sketch the emoji at high resolution so you can refine details without quality loss. Make sure to separate layers for facial features and effects, because you'll need clean alpha channels. Export a working PNG and an editable source file so you can iterate quickly. Now you refine shapes, colors, and expressions. You should create multiple size variants to preserve legibility at small scales, reduce detail for 32-pixel versions, and keep crisp edges for 128-pixel versions. Once refined, run a lightweight compression pass to meet upload limits without noticeable artifacting. Export with consistent padding and centered composition so the emoji won't be cropped oddly on different backgrounds. Save final PNGs and the editable master for future. Upload your exported files to the platform's emoji management area and assign clear short names or aliases that people will type. Once uploaded, test them in chat across dark and light themes to confirm legibility and correct alignment. If the platform supports animated formats, ensure frame timing is appropriate. If you hit rejection or poor rendering, double-check size limits, file format, and alpha channel integrity. Re-export with adjusted padding or compression and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.